I'm Richard from Chestnut Van Centre, showing us 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro. 2016 16 plate Vauxhall Vivaro. Registration is available upon request. L1H1, which is a short wheelbase low roof. It's 1 fleet tonner from you. From the BT fleet. It's done 53,700 miles. Absolutely nothing. It's the 1.6 diesel. Timing chain engine, not a cam belt. Twin side loading doors, double rear doors at the back, has got the rear parking sensors with the step 2. The rear is online, which we'll move on to soon. It's going to come with a new 12-month MOT. We have no advisories on our MOTs. If anything needs to be replaced, it will be. Also come with a full service, 2 keys and a warranty too. Every angle looks absolutely fantastic. The BT fleet are without a doubt one of the best. It's a clean side of a Vivaro. Let's have a look inside. Inside's clean and tidy. You've got 3 seats up front, no rips, no tears, no wanted smells. Power windows, power mirrors, 6-speed box. Has got the eco mode stop start too. And the Bluetooth in here as well. And the all-important driver's armrest. We'll move on to the rear. Space bin line, it's got the nice thick flooring, factory fitted bulkhead, LED lighting too. Really good with the twin sliders. And the same from this angle. There you have it, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro. Gonna come to you to MLT and a full service too. Finance, nationwide delivery, also available.